Good morning, student, and this is your moral science class. We are going to study chapter 5, and that is oneness of mankind. In this story already we have read about Johnny. And what does this story tells us? First I will explain you this. This story tells us that the people of this world do not look the same. All the people are looking different, and this differences add beauty to the world. So whenever we see the people different from us, whether it is color, height, weight, anything, appearance, clothes, we should appreciate them, we should be friendly to them, we should show kindness to them. Okay? And here is the story of Johnny. Johnny was a young boy. He was a nice boy who was living in the city of Colombo, but one bad habit he was having: making fun of others. He was always making fun of others, and he was taking any one point, whether it is hair, glasses, his color, height, cloth, anything. He was picking up and making fun of others. And what happened, my dear? One day, when he was making fun of others, one day a person came, and he was tall and stout, and used to how he was doing. He started making fun of that person. He started teasing the man's funny hat. And who was that man? That man was a magician, and his name was Alkazu. Johnny made fun of him, and what Alkazu said: "You foolish boy, how dare you make fun of my hat? Don't you know who am I?" And after that he punished Johnny. He told that from today onwards everyone will look exactly like you. And after saying this, he disappeared. He vanished away. And at first Johnny thought that the strange looking man was just joking. But when he looked around, everyone looked exactly like him. When he went to school, he found all his friends were also looking like him. And not only looking by the look, they all were calling themselves Johnny. Here I am Johnny, hi Johnny, bye Johnny. He tried to explain them, he tried to tell his friends, but they all laughed at him, saying that of course you are Johnny, but we are also Johnny. Now he was not able to understand what to do. Then he thought that if teacher will come inside the class, I am sure the teacher will set the things right. And when teacher entered, what happened? Teacher was also looking just like Johnny, and Johnny was shocked even more than before. And he tried to explain to the teacher that he was the only true Johnny around, and this made teacher very angry. So he took him to the principal. And what happened there, principal was also looking exactly like Johnny. And when Johnny tried to explain the principal, he was through that he was the only true Johnny around. Principal got angry, and this angered the principal, and Johnny was thrown out of the school. And when he was coming back from the school to home, he avoided looking at people because they all looked like him. And when he reached home, he found that his parents also were looking like him, and he could take no more. So he switched on the TV. There was football match was going there, and there was announcer was also telling, now Johnny is passing the ball to Johnny. Johnny has taken the ball. Means all the players was also Johnny. Then Johnny shouted, "Oh no, I cannot take this anymore. God, please stop this nightmare. Please somebody help me." And suddenly Johnny woke up. And then he realized that he has been dreaming. And in the dream only, he got a lesson. And what was the lesson? He should never make fun of others. Now here are some exercise for you. Write true or false. Johnny was a bad boy. Wait. But what is given in the chapter? Johnny was a nice boy. So this is false. Johnny was a nice boy. But what was wrong there? He was having a bad habit. And what was that habit? That habit was to make fun of others. Next is, magician did not do anything to Johnny. This is also false. This is false because in the book it is written Johnny was a nice boy. His habit was bad, but Johnny was a nice boy. Magician did not do anything to Johnny, and this is false because magician punished Johnny. He told Johnny that now from today onwards everything will look exactly like you. So this is a wrong statement that magician did not do anything to Johnny. Next is differences add beauty to the world. Definitely, my dear, in the bouquet we fill different flowers. When we do any drawing, we make it colorful, adding different butterfly you will see of different color, nature you see of different color. God has created this world and with different things, and He made the world so beautiful. Next is, so this is true that differences add beauty to the world. Next is Johnny lived in the city of Akka. This is wrong because in the chapter it is written that Johnny lived in the city of Colombo, isn't it? So this is false. When we see something different from others, we should show kindness to them. Definitely, my dear, this is true. Because God has created this world and we should take care of all the God-made things. We should be kind, we should care, we should share. Kindness is to care about someone or something. Very true. A kind person is not respected anywhere, and this is wrong. A kind person is respected everywhere. So this is false. A kind person, a good person, a person who is sharing, who is taking care of others, who is taking care of nature, they are respected and loved not only by human beings. Animals also understand the language of love and affection. If you are keeping any pet, my dear, you will see that the person who is feeding the pet, who is loving the pet more, pet is more close to that person. What does this tell? That not only we people, human beings, animals also understand the language of love and affection. Next is Raman proved the existence of God. And this is true. And how did Raman prove the existence of God? He gave the example of the sun, the moon. If there is paw prints, means that there is lion. And if here is sun, moon, fish, this whole universe, entire world, and even the complex human beings, trees, and everything is made in an intelligent way. Who has made this? Definitely none other than God. who is the creator of this world. Now see, here is two quotations. First is, cleanliness is the be the essence of cleanliness among mankind. Means we should, this doesn't mean that if here it is dirty we should run away. We should clean, we should be set an example. Okay, cleanliness doesn't only means to run away from the dirt. First of all, if we are clean, it keeps away disease. One who maintain cleanliness, that's why it is told, eat in clean place, wear clean cloth, keep your body clean, keep your house clean, keep your surroundings clean. And second thing is, and second thing is, my dear, we should not only keep our surrounding clean, we should keep our heart also clean. With our outer side, our inside should be also clean. Now next quotation is, service to humanity is service to God. If we are serving human being, we are serving to God, because God has made this world. Whatever we are doing in this world is service. If we are doing good, we will get good reward. If we are doing wrong things, we will get punishment for this. So if we are serving the humanity, we are serving to God. See, Vivekananda have also told this, that it is privilege to serve mankind. For this is the worship of God. God is here in all these human souls. So we should take care of all the human souls. Now thank you, dear, for watching this video.